In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Clickup with Trello, making your project management more seamless and efficient. Let's begin by navigating to your Clickup workspace. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the My Workspace option. This is your central hub for managing your projects, so getting familiar with it is essential for maximizing productivity. Next, we're going to dive into the settings. The settings menu is crucial because it contains all the customization and integration options you might need. Look for an option labeled Imports Exports. This feature is especially handy when you want to bring data from other platforms into Clickup. It's a real time saver as it efficiently transfers all your important project details. Once you're in the Imports Exports section, you'll see an option to Start Import. Click on it and a new set of options should pop up. Here you'll look for Trello. Trello is a popular project management tool that many of you may already be using, so integrating it with Clickup can streamline your workflow significantly. After selecting Trello, click Continue. It will prompt Trello for authorization. You must select Allow to grant Clickup access to your boards. This is a critical step because authorizing this connection enables Clickup to communicate effectively with Trello, ensuring that your data is transferred accurately. Now you'll see the All Boards option. By clicking this, you gain the flexibility of integrating all your Trello boards or just specific ones, depending on your needs. Next, you'll be asked to select a specific board that you want to import into Clickup. Carefully choose the board that you think would benefit most from enhanced features offered by Clickup, such as automations or detailed task management. Following that, we move on to Select Space. Clickup utilizes spaces to organize work in ways that suit your unique setup. Here you have the option to choose an existing space or create a new space. Selecting new space can be advantageous if you want to keep your imported Trello board distinct from other projects. After creating or selecting your space, it's time to click Next. This action prepares your information for the final setup stages. You will then encounter an option named Sections as Status, which allows Trello's list components to become status indicators in ClickUp, giving you a clearer view of task progress. Finally, proceed with the consecutive Next clicks to confirm your choices, and end the process by clicking Complete. This concludes the integration, and your Trello board should now be fully functional within ClickUp. Make sure to explore this seamless connection to enjoy how two powerful tools enhance your productivity.